We are here today at Paul and Ginger's house for Ginger to make us her famous green dip. Her creamy jalapeno dip has been a tradition in our office for 15 years and is something we go crazy about.
It is super easy. So the first thing that you do is you're going to take the first 3 ingredients, which are green. So it's about 4 or 5 jalapenos that have been cut in half and taken the seeds out, because if you don't take the seeds out, it's going to be hot. And then it's 1 cup of the green verde sauce. And then you're going to take a half a bunch of cilantro and stick it in there too. You're going to blend all this up on a blender, and then you're going to dump in 3 white ingredients. And so that's going to be a half a cup of buttermilk, 3 packages of ranch dressing, and 32 ounces of mayo. Blend it all together and you're ready to give it out with chips, and it's yummy.
It's so yummy. It is so yummy. Thanks for letting us share this recipe with you today. We hope you love it as much as we do.